How to say Merry Christmas in Greek. Merry Christmas. Καλά Χριστούγεννα. Merry Christmas. Καλά Χριστούγεννα. Now you try. You can also say Happy Holidays. Καλές γιορτές. Happy Holidays. Καλές γιορτές. Now you try. Perhaps you want to ask, do you believe in Santa? Πιστεύετε στον Άγιο Βασίλη? Do you believe in Santa? Πιστεύετε στον Άγιο Βασίλη? Now you try. That was the formal version. Perhaps you want to use the informal version. Πιστεύεις στον Άγιο Βασίλη? Do you believe in Santa? Πιστεύεις στον Άγιο Βασίλη? Now you try. You can also say, what do you want for Christmas? Τι θέλεις για τα Χριστούγεννα? What do you want for Christmas? Τι θέλεις για τα Χριστούγεννα? Now you try. And that's how to say Merry Christmas in Greek.